feet hip wide together. And then roll your shoulders up and back down. And now you have your palms showing to the front. You press your hip a bit to the front, pull your belly button in, and then shift your weight a bit on your heels. And now breathe slowly in and out, and observe how your belly moves out when you breathe in, and how your belly becomes flat again when you breathe out. Enjoy the sound of the waves, which have an additional soothing, calming effect. Just breathe in and out. Maybe you can feel already how your feet are sinking a bit deeper into the ground. You connect with the ground. You connect with Mother Earth. Enjoy how Mother Earth is carrying you. With each breath, connect with Mother Earth. Feel her love. Feel her energy. Feel how she supports you. Take a deep breath in, and then breathe fully out. Empty your lungs as far as possible. And with your next inhalation, raise your arms up towards the ceiling or the sky. Breathing out, let your arms sink down. Once more, breathe in, your arms go up. Breathing out, your arms go down. Breathe in, arms up, and twist your body to the right. Breathe out and bring your arms down. Breathe in, arms up, and now twist to the left. Breathe out, bring your arms down. Once more, arms up, twist to the right. Breathe out, arms down. Breathe in, arms up, twist once more to the left. Breathe out, bring your arms down. Last time, bring your arms up with the inhalation, twist to the front. Breathe out, bring your arms down. Slowly breathe in and out. Feel how relaxed you now are.